Excellent. Just a couple. Blue, white, white, blue, blue, white. I'm thrilled. The person who is going to be just bouncing off the walls is Kev. My boyfriend is just going to be beside himself because he adored the first series. The microphone, they did give me that because obviously now I'm key talent. Maybe just a little rogue one at the bottom there. I'm really happy with that. Shall I tell him now?
Yeah, tell him.
Call him up now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna want to get this. Kev! He's not gonna believe this.
Yeah? What?
So, who do you think has got a podcast series coming out brand new?
Peter Crouch?
I'm not sure about, I'm not sure what
Louis
kind.
Theroux? Louis Theroux got another one.
Why are you always talking about Louis?
That's my favourite.
Yeah.
King of documentaries, isn't he?
Yeah, no. Again, I'm not sure.
Entertainment, that's a good one.
Okay.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Yeah. Now, I've actually really thought about it. I actually think it's better that he didn't guess, because then when it does come out, because it is going to be like this massive podcast series, then it will just be like, you know, a huge surprise. I am Stacey Dooley. I am here today to tell you all about my brand new podcast series. It's called Fresh Starts. So we are following extraordinary, ordinary people who are about to embark on some kind of fresh chapter, fresh start. We've got a lady in her 40s who's learning to read. We've got a couple who are expecting. We've got two lads who are training to become detectives. A younger girl who's trying to sort of wean herself off social media. I think they're really funny and really brave and really courageous and really honest. So if you don't like that, I don't really know what to say. Fresh Starts, it's available now exclusively on BBC Sounds.
BBC Sounds. Music, radio, podcasts.